what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, what they talk about. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free.
Hey gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. So I did a video yesterday and I lost it. So we are redoing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Yes, I hope everyone is doing well. If you're new here, say hello down in the comments. I would love to get to know you better. And of course, all of you that are already my gems, you know I love you guys so very much. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos I put out lately. I have been working hard to try to get everyone to smile. Okay, so here's we've got the bag here. It's cute. I mean, it's little. I just think Ipsy has changed, and I want another subscription box. So you guys need to help me. Which one should I get? Because I'm canceling this one, and then I've got a surprise for you guys. I don't have prices. It came with the card, but there's no prices on here, and I didn't look them up. But we've got the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Concealer in light to medium. We've got the Revitalizing Eye Gel. Let me see. So you guys can see what it looks like. I've got so much skincare right now. Do not need that. We got the kit of this and way back, I think, in December. So this is the $1 Billion Brows. This is the pomade and the brush. And I think it's in taupe, if I remember correctly. So it comes with this and then this. These two little things. Like I said, I don't know the value. I know this box is $25 a month, and I've had Ipsy Plus for over a year, but I've had the Ipsy Glam bag. I mean, I've been with Ipsy for several years. Okay, this I have gotten with points, and I have gotten in a regular glam bag, the coffee scrub. It works well. I'm just not expecting to see it in the plus. So, you guys usually know I'm happy with my stuff. I am. But I'm thinking it's time for me to move on to FabFitFun or something else. If you have a suggestion, put it in the comments below. Okay, Girl Powder. It's like a license plate. That's really cute. Okay. If I remember correctly, this was a little messy too. Somehow during shipment, some stuff got knocked around. But these are blushes. Yeah, some of it got on the mirror. Okay, and then we have one last item, which is the Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil. I've been enjoying my lip balm. I do have a couple of lip oils. All right, let me see. Ooh. I can get this out. But I don't need any more right now. It is pretty though. Definitely. Okay, so what am I going to do with this box? Guess what, guys? I'm going to give it away. I am. I have more than enough of everything in here. And I figured there's got to be one of you out there that didn't get the Ipsy or has been wanting to try Ipsy, or you had to cancel your subscription because of whatever reason. And it's like giveaway heaven for me right now. I have a lot of them going on, and I really, really enjoy doing them. And I think that this would be the perfect thing to do for me to go out with a bang and say goodbye to Ipsy. So one of you guys will win this entire box. And the only thing you need to do to enter is this will be open internationally. I don't mind sending it wherever. You need to be 18 years or older or have a parent's permission. You need to like this video, be subscribed to my channel, share it out if you can. If not, that's not a requirement. Don't worry about that. And comment below. And then this giveaway will go on from the time that I upload this video. And probably 2 to 3 weeks, I'll put the official giveaway end date and the rules in the description box if you'd like to read them. And I'm wishing you all so much luck. I really do appreciate every single one of you. I was dying laughing this morning with my comments and just having a ball with all of you. So you guys really do brighten my day. I hope this will brighten one of yours. And I will see you guys in my next video. Did I forget to tell you anything? I don't think so. Mwah! Bye, guys.
What they talk about in movies, our love is what they talk about.